Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. And no, we're not working on the blue car today. This car is done. We're going to set this one aside. We're going to be working on this thing today. So let's take a look and see what's in store for us this time on the bench. Oh boy. We have got a Mustang this time. And it's got a wheel in the middle. Interesting. There's the drive wheels. Those wheels don't do anything. Well, we're going to have to fix that, aren't we? And it's got the remote. So I thought we could explore how this thing works together and see, one, if we can fix it, and two, we can make it an RC car. So that's the plan for this video series. Let's first start and see if it works. Not too bad. Looks like they are C batteries. Do I have any C batteries? I don't think I have any C batteries. Oh, I do have C batteries. One moment, please. I have got C batteries right here. Which way do they go? They go this way. Okay. Nothing. Oh, a little bit. A little bit. Well, that's encouraging. That's encouraging indeed. All right, let's take it apart, see what we can figure out. Oh, that's just for the bumper. Okay. All right, there's the car. A little greasy in there, but we can clean that up. The window needs to be a little polished, but we can fix that. We know how to do that from our old Matchbox days. There's the motor. There's the gears. Wow, we could probably reuse this. Oh, see, the steering is a tether that goes back and forth. And it's probably just bent. Oh, it pulls back. I see. Like that. Huh. That's interesting. We might be able to just put a servo on that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. You saw in the last video, I had some ideas, but then I changed my mind. I don't know. Interesting, though. We could clean up this motor. Yeah, because I'd like to use these tires, if I could. Might be able to. Might be able to. Interesting. Yes, I think what the problem is and why this doesn't work is because of this wire here got either rusted or bent. One of the two. And that's quite interesting how that works. Let's take this thing apart and see what we can discover. I need a screwdriver for that. That looks like a regular size screwdriver, probably this. Look at that, how easy that comes apart. And that just pushes down. Oh, to make interesting. Huh. Yeah, I think this is just bent. All right, well, let's figure out how this worked. All right, I couldn't let it sit not knowing how this thing operated. So let's go through it. This wire here, this is like a push and pull wire, like on a bicycle for your derailleurs. So it would push and pull this, which would do the steering back and forth. It would actually just pull it, and then the spring would push it back. This wire also acts as the ground for the motor. And then these two green wires act as the positive when you press the button. So you've got your two buttons here. Those are your positive leads. Your negative lead goes down through this wire. So when you press this button, it connects this wire to the positive and it goes forward. When you press this button, it connects this wire to the positive of the battery, and then it moves backwards. So that's how this thing works. It took me a while to figure it out, but once I figured out with help of my friend at ChatGPT that this was actually the third wire, the ground wire, it made much, much more sense. And that's how it works. So let's get back to the video that I'm editing right now and finish talking about this thing. So what happens when you put 8 bolts on this thing? No, it goes like this. Well, it works, but I can smell the old electric smell that you smell on motors when it's going too good. So we're gonna have to take this apart, clean up the motor, see what's going on. Maybe we can find one of this size that will fit in here, because I would really like to use this drivetrain. And then we're gonna figure out, I think I'm gonna build a steering like I did for this one. For the front, I think is what I'm going to do, because that worked quite well. We'll get a servo in there, and then the speed control and the electronics. I mean, this should be an easy one. And I don't think I need to do anything to the body but clean it. So we'll throw this in the ultrasonic and clean it up real good. I have some holes up there in the front for the lights if I wanted to put lights in it. Don't know if I will or not, but that may change. Yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think we should do with this thing. Yeah, I'm interested. Nice. All right, well, thank you for watching while we explored this nifty little remote control car. It is, in case you were wondering, it is a brand line or Bandai Line B.O.S. made in Korea. And yeah, that's about it. I don't think we'll be using this remote. Although that would be interesting to use this remote. How could we do that? How could we do that? That would be really cool, wouldn't it? To use this remote as radio controlled. Steering would be easy. The forwards and back, that would be, we'd have to do something different with that. Maybe we could put a trigger in the back of here. I think I've got an idea. Let me know what you think of that, of making this the transmitter. I think we got something. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And have fun out there playing with all your toys.